Hello friends, welcome back. You can see it is raining a lot today from the morning. Yes, I hate rains. I don't know why, but it is very boring. We cannot play, we cannot do anything, we cannot go outside. But it was kind of boring, so we decided to take our umbrella and rush downstairs to take some vegetables from the market. Let's go. You can see, even if it is raining, there's no flood, there's proper drainage, so we can walk carefully and in neat ground. Over here, the temperature is 15 degrees. Right now it is very cold over here. See, roads are so clean. All the people are walking here. So now we are at Indian store and we'll get to see so many Indian vegetables over here. Onion. तो फिर ये है लौकी. Now see what we found here. Chachinda. This is beans. We have got methi leaves, green chilies, tumadi laki, tori, and last of all dhania.